Friends, this is Konapareddy Hari Prasad. Now, I am going to speak to you on a topic which is highly useful to the public, for the students as well. Go for good beginning. In your life, go for good beginning. I am giving some success tips in life. These success mantras are also part of soft skills in a broader sense. On soft skills, I have given so many lectures. Well begun is half done. I always emphasize on 3 words in my seminars: yesterday, today, tomorrow. Assess your yesterday, perform today, and plan for tomorrow. Don't start your day with grumbling. Grumbling means complaining. If you do grumbling, you will end with a growl. Growl means roar. So, always make a good beginning in life. If you tell a lie to cover one mistake, you will soon embroil in a mass of contradictory explanations. If you tell a lie, if you want to cover it, and you will embroil in a mass of contradictory explanations. Beware of the false start and go for good beginning. Everything try to nip in the bud. A small leak not stopped will become bigger and double your cost. A kingdom was lost for want of a nail. Nail. Recall the pleasant events of yesterday and picture vividly the achievements of tomorrow. When you wake up, recite in yourself: today is my day of opportunity. I shall make the best use of my time, most of my talents. If I do my best, God will help me. Do a few stretching and breathing exercises before attending to your seminar. Keep your handbag ready the previous night. You can leave the home on time and without hustle. Hustle means activity. Eat your breakfast with attention. Avoid arguments or reading newspaper while eating. Have a smile and a cheery word for your fellow passengers and strive to make one new contact every day. I remember one gentleman by name late Koppula Subbarao working in my office, who on reaching office would bow reverently and touch the step of the office building and then touch his forehead. When I asked him what is this gesture signified, he explained that All India Radio Vijayawada office building provided him with work and helped him earn for his family. Therefore, it deserved his respect and even reverence. If all employees respect their office and employers, there would be more productivity, less clock watching, and no strikes. So you also enter the office with a zest for work. Zest means enthusiasm. You also enter the office with a zest for work, with the enthusiasm for work. A striking common feature seen in all successful people is they all looked young and feel young because life is never boring to them. They enjoy every moment of life. They enjoy every moment of it. Many of the stupendous inventions of the world resulted from a flash of inspiration which came to the inventor in a single moment. Many of the amazing, stupendous inventions of the world resulted from a flash of inspiration which came to the inventor in a single moment. Of course, this was preceded by years of patient toil and trials. Time is a precious thing in life. When you say just a moment, keep it just that. Don't review at the end of December. Review at each month end. Age has nothing to do with success. Vajpayee, one time Indian Prime Minister, succeeded at 65. Age is a state of mind. You can grow up and you can grow old. You can grow up or you can grow old. There are men and women well over 70 like late Dr. P. Anand from Chinnaganjam, who are more full of zest and vigor than people half their age. If you are too old to learn, then you are too old to live. World is full of such people. You can be like them if you act on the belief that age is the state of mind, not a matter of calendar years. World is full of such people. You can be like them if you act on the belief that age is the state of mind, not a matter of calendar years. If success has not come to your way, don't wait till it does. Go out and meet it. See, your dreams come true. Yesterday was a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but today is a reality. Start today, right now. The future is yours. Before closing the lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Konapareddy Hari Prasad. You become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.